Hi guys, let's look at this simple question that we have here. We are told that two numbers are in the ratio 3:5 and the smaller number is 18 less than the larger number. We're expected to find the numbers. So this is a very simple question involving ratio. In this situation, we are given the ratios of the two numbers. Do we know the numbers? No, we don't. So we are expected to find the numbers. But we're also told that the smaller number is 18 less than the larger number. So we can simply say the larger number minus the smaller number is equal to 18. Okay? So the larger number minus the smaller number is equal to 18. Now, do we know the larger number? We don't. Do we know the smaller number? We don't. But we are told that the ratio is 3:5. That means the larger number's ratio is 5 and the smaller number's ratio is 3. But let's consider a situation where we have two numbers, 15 and 25. If we're expected to find the ratio of these two numbers, we need to divide both of them by the same number. So we're going to divide 15 by 5 and we're going to divide 25 by 5. So our ratio is going to be 3:5, right? So we can see that for us to get the ratio, when given the numbers, we divide both of them by the same number. We divided 15 by 5, we divided 25 by 5. But what if we have a situation where we know the ratios and we are expected to find the numbers? In this case, we are going to multiply the ratios by 5. So 3 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 15. 5 multiplied by 5 is going to give us 25. That means when you know the ratios, you are going to multiply the ratios with a particular number in order to get the actual numbers. So there is a common factor that multiplies both ratios to give you the actual number. So here we know the ratios, but we don't know the actual numbers. We don't know the larger number, we don't know the smaller number. We know that the ratio for the larger number is 5, right? We know that the ratio for the smaller number is 3. So how do we get L? To get L, we're going to multiply 5 by a certain number. We don't know what the number is, so let's call it X. So L is going to be 5X. And since we multiply 5 by X to get L, we're also going to multiply 3 by X to get S. So minus 3X is equal to 18. So 5X minus 3X is going to give us 2X. So 2X is equal to 18. If we divide both sides by 2, cancelling out, X is equal to 9. So we found out the common factor that has to multiply both ratios in order to get the actual value. So now let's take it back to 5. The larger number, which is L, is equal to 5X. And we know that X is equal to 9. So we have 5 times 9, which gives us 45. Okay, so the larger number is 45. Also, the smaller number is 3 times X, which gives us 3 times 9, which is equal to 27. So we found out the numbers that gives us this ratio. If you look at it carefully, you're going to see that if you break this down again, you're going to get 3:5, and also 45 minus 27 is going to give you 8. So this is a simple process of finding the numbers that produce a particular ratio when the ratios are given. And also in this particular situation, the difference between the two numbers is also given. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like the video, share with your friends, and follow for more maths content. See you in the next video.